What kind of phone do you need? A phone with a super long battery life, powerful performance, an excellent camera and water and shock-proof features? Then let me introduce you to the Unihertz Tank phone. It's a rugged phone with a massive 22,000 mAh battery that supports 2,380 hours of standby time and 150 hours of talk time. It also has a super bright camping light that can illuminate in the dark. Charges to 90% in just 1.8 hours. It has 3 rear cameras, a 108 megapixels main camera, a 20 megapixels night vision camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. Whether it's day or night, whether it's far or near, you can use it to take amazing photos and videos. It has IP68 level waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof capabilities and meets the military standard. No matter what environment you are in, it can accompany you around. This is the Unihertz Tank.